wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see if this is one of the best primers ever made for oily skin. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. So this is the One Size Beauty by Patrick Starr Oil Sucker Extreme Mattifying Alkaline Primer. This retails for $34 for 1.01 ounces. A non-comedogenic oil-absorbing primer that delivers an immediate and extreme matte finish while tightening the appearance of pores, extends makeup wear up to 12 hours, and dermatologist tested. Coverage is light, finish is matte, formulation liquid. No flashback, all-day reduction and shine. Okay, so y'all know I just tested out the, why do I feel like I'm not centered? Y'all know I just tested out the Patrick Starr foundation and Chef's Kiss on the face. Wore it out yesterday wearing the, what primer is it? I think I used, oh, I can't tell you about that primer because I haven't uploaded that video yet. But wearing a primer meant to, you know, help makeup last longer, and that Makeup Forever hydration primer, skin held up good. But I think, and from what people are saying, this is going to be the primer that really is just the perfect combination to make that Patrick Starr oily skin approved. So let's go ahead. What I feel like I'm not sure what to put down first. Hold on. Let's see. Extreme oil control, all day mattifying effect, won't clog pores. And she looks like this. And let's just go, y'all. Let's put it on. I don't hear it. Not sure what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. I'm gonna focus it, especially on my T-zone. Let's blend that out. And then Patrick Starr for foundation today.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100, leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I have it.
Okay, y'all, so it is 10:28 a.m. Look at me. This is going to be my face. Ooh, right up, right up. Come on, camera, please. This is gonna be my face for the day. Face is giving matte but breathable. So I'm excited to see how this goes. I'll see you later. Damn it, I forgot my phone. But it is 6:38. This is my face. Looks like, ignore the breakouts on my face at that time of the month. But I feel like the lighting. Okay, I feel like that's better. This is what my face looks like. I put this makeup on sometime around 10 a.m. this morning. This is gonna be a very short, sweet, simple, to the point video. Go ahead and get it. Because, excuse me, not only is this clearly still mattifying my face, 6, 10, almost 8 hours, something later, but it is clearly a mattifying primer that is not like sucking the life out of my face. Like there's still life to my face. And I feel like, if anything, yeah, I feel like a little bit above my eyebrow my oil is coming through. But if anything, you know, when makeup settles on your face and like it just fully looks cooked on, it looks a little bit more natural, not so powdery. That's how it looks like 8 hours later, but still breathable on the face. Baby, they weren't lying. They weren't lying. The internet hypes up a lot, but this primer, they weren't lying about it. Because excuse me, now y'all did just see me try the Patrick foundation the other day, so you can go back in that video. I do believe I come back at a later time during the day, but you can see what my face looks like with the Patrick Top foundation and different primers compared to right now. And child, the star of the show though is this One Size Oil Sucker primer. I've tried multiple, mind you. I think the next video will also be me trying like products that like kind of mattify the face. I've tried a lot of mattifying primers, and yes, there are a lot of good ones out there that are going to control the oil, but like I haven't tried one that is still like really breathable on the face, still really giving skin on the face. Patrick did his big one with this one, his big one. And y'all know I rarely do I have the products where I'm like, just go ahead, put it in the bag. Go ahead and put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. That's Sephora sale coming. Throw it in the bag. So yeah, like I said, real short, simple, to the point. Go ahead, get you this primer if you have oily skin and you are looking for something that is going to control your oil but still really make the makeup look pretty on your face. It's not gonna look papery, dry, powdery, anything like that. So dry skin, baby, stay away from this. You gonna be screaming like SpongeBob for the water would be nice. Stay away. This is not for you. Don't even look at it. Skin gonna get dry just looking at it. Don't do that. But oily skin, this one's for that. Patrick came through, and he does have oily skin, so it makes sense. But baby, yeah. So that is it for this video. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.